Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Today's video is all about keywords in C. So we are going to see what is a keyword, why we use keyword, list of keywords in C, and when to use them. Keywords are those words whose meanings are predefined in compiler. These are reserved words in all programming languages which has some meaning and predefined functionality. All keywords are in lowercase. These cannot be used as identifiers or variable names. There are 32 keywords in C. They are auto, break, case, char, const, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, goto, if, int, long, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, struct, switch, typedef, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and while. Now we will see what does each and every keyword mean in C and when to use them. First we are going to see storage classes. There are 4 storage classes and keywords we use are auto, extern, register, and static. Auto keyword is used to declare automatic variables. It is used for specifying a storage duration. If you use auto, it will have automatic storage duration. Automatic variables are local to functions, so we can call them as local variables. For example, here we have auto int student. So first we have to use storage class, then comes the data type, then variable name. Here student is a variable which is of type integer and it is a automatic variable. Extern is used to declare and define the external variables. Extern keyword expands the visibility of the variable. It declares a variable or a function that has external linkage to outside the file. It is declared. Syntax is extern, data type, variable name, semicolon. Next comes the register. Register keyword is used to tell the compiler to store the variable in a CPU register instead of memory. They have faster accessibility than normal variables. Then static. Static is used to initialize the variables only once. They will have lifetime until the end of the program. They are local variables to the function. They have default value as 0. We are going to see for, while, and do while in C. If we want to perform a task multiple times within the program, we use loops. There are 3 kinds of loops. They are for, while, and do while. Keywords used are for, while, and do while. So while is an entry control loop, whereas do while is a exit control loop. We'll discuss clearly about all the loops in coming videos. Next comes break, go to, and continue. These are jumping statements in C. These are used to alter the normal flow of a program. Break is used to terminate from the loop. That is, if we use the break keyword, the control will come out of the loop. Continue is used to alter the execution of the loop. The execution control skips to the rest of the statements in the looping block and jumps to the beginning of the loop. So it will skips the present iteration and continues to the next iteration. Goto statement is used to jump from one line to another line in the program. Goto statement requires a label. Label is a name given to instruction or a line in the program. Next is switch, case, const, and size of. Switch state Switch statement is used to test the value of a variable and compares it with multiple cases. It is an alternate to if, else and if ladder. Const is used to declare a constant variable. If you want to know more about const keyword, please do watch constant in C video. I will add link in the description. Size of is used to evaluate the size of a variable or an identifier in C. Next are the data types. We have already discussed about all the data types and modifiers in C in data types in C video. So we'll look fastly what are the keywords used in data types. Okay. So int, char, double, float and void are used to declare the type of the variables. For example, int is used to declare integer variables and character is used to declare characters, and double and float are used to declare the decimal type of values with difference in precision, and void is used if the data type is nothing. Struct and union are the keywords used to declare the derived data types, which are used to store heterogeneous type of data and also to modify the meaning of the basic data types. We use type modifiers, right? So we have short, long, signed, unsigned modifiers to change the meaning of predefined data types. If you want to know more about predefined data types, derived data types, user defined data types and modifiers in C, please do watch data types in C video. We have two types of user defined data types. Those are declared using keywords enum and typedef. If, else and return. We have conditional statements in C. They are if and else. If condition satisfies, statements in if block will execute. If not, the statements in else block will execute. Return is a keyword used to return something from function based on the return type used to declare the function. Default is used to specify default label in switch block. And volatile keyword is used to say the compiler that variable value can be changed at any time in the program. It should be used while declaring of a variable. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and share the videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.